Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the latest vehicle delivery and insurance registration numbers for NIO, covering the week from June 17th to June 23rd. It's been an eventful week for the company, so let's break down the details. First off, NIO delivered 1,400 vehicles this week, a solid rebound from the 3,400 vehicles delivered last week. This improvement is a positive sign for NIO, aligning closely with their delivery guidance. To meet the lower end of their expectations, NIO needs to consistently deliver around 4,700 to 5,000 vehicles per week. For the higher end, they aim for about 6,000 vehicles. As we approach the end of the month, it's crucial for NIO to ramp up deliveries. They will need approximately 7,000 insurance registrations in the final week to exceed their guidance. Interestingly, the data seems to be compiled by Li Auto, which has positioned itself at the top of the list, followed by AITO. Despite being a pure electric vehicle EV manufacturer, NIO has reclaimed the number 3 spot. The top 2 spots are occupied by manufacturers who still rely on gasoline-powered vehicles. Without gasoline, their numbers would significantly drop. Looking further down the list, we see XPeng with only 2,500 deliveries. They are performing well in Europe, but their sales in China are lagging. XPeng average selling price is also lower compared to NIO. Other notable competitors include Denza with 2,500 deliveries at number 9, IM Motors with 1,700, and Xiaomi with 3,300. These companies were expected to be strong competitors for NIO, but their current sales figures suggest otherwise. Zeekr, at number 4 with 4,500 deliveries, is the closest competitor to NIO. However, Zeekr average selling price is much lower due to cheaper models like the Zosen 7 and Zosen 1. In terms of overall sales, BYD leads the market with 66,800 vehicles sold per week. Their starting price is incredibly low at 60,000 RMB, around $9,000, making their cars very affordable. Tesla follows in second place with 17,400 vehicles sold per week and a starting price of 230,000 RMB, which is quite reasonable for a mid-priced vehicle. NIO, positioned at number 7, has the highest starting price among all manufacturers listed. The ET5 and ET5T models start at 298,000 RMB. Despite this high starting price, NIO has managed to deliver 4,700 vehicles per week, showcasing impressive market performance. Comparatively, Zeekr's starting price is 200,000 RMB, and Wuling, which sold 8,100 vehicles per week, has an extremely low starting price of 32,000 RMB. Volkswagen, with 4,100 vehicles sold, ranks just below NIO. Although Volkswagen cars are significantly cheaper, they are being outperformed by NIO in the premium segment. When we look at global brands, BMW is leading with 18,900 vehicles sold per week, followed by Tesla, Mercedes with 14,700, and Audi with 14,300. NIO performance, especially in first-tier cities like Shanghai and Beijing, is remarkable. In these cities, NIO is outselling traditional luxury brands by a large margin. For example, in Beijing, NIO sold 1,226 vehicles in May, compared to BMW 530, Mercedes 198, and Audi's 88. However, NIO faces challenges in smaller, rural cities where hybrid electric range extender vehicles (EREVs) are more popular. These areas lack the infrastructure necessary for NIO battery swap stations, which are crucial for their business model. In these regions, brands like Li Auto perform better due to their hybrid model's convenience. For NIO to grow, they need to expand their battery swap stations into these smaller cities. This infrastructure investment is essential for increasing brand recognition and adoption in less urbanized areas. As we near the end of the month, NIO is on track to meet their delivery guidance. They are expected to achieve around 18,000 deliveries, with the potential to reach 19,000 to 20,000 if the momentum continues. While breaking delivery records this month seems unlikely, The consistent demand and increasing orders indicate a positive trend. It's also worth noting that some of NIO vehicles might be shipped to Europe to avoid tariffs, which could affect the domestic delivery numbers. Overall, NIO performance this week is promising, and their strategy to expand in both domestic and international markets seems to be paying off. Let's stay tuned to see how they finish the month and whether they can surpass their delivery targets. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more stock predictions and market insights. Remember to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy investing, and see you in the next video.